Do you know this tree? Introducing Duclitan Planchonilla duclitan of the family Saputaceae. The genus name Planchonilla was named after the French botanist Jules Planchon, who contributed to the studying plant taxonomy. The species name Duclitan is a Latinized term for its common vernacular name Duclitan. Duclitan is a large evergreen tree from the Caimito and Chico family. It is widely distributed in the country at low and medium altitudes. Its wood is used for light construction, wooden shoe soles, ball handles, and household implements. This is Max. Caring for the environment is not really a choice but a responsibility. Our efforts, even if small, when combined, can make life for a better future. Thank you and God bless.